Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Join the hairs in the front like this. First tie the sections of the hairs like this and then we will join it. So first we will make the plaits to fix them together. Pull out the hairs from the sides and watch these steps very carefully how we are making the plaits and joining the hairs. After you are done with this, we will fix it in the front. Now at the back make the plaits and then we will join all the hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs like this on the back. Now take the hairs from the sides and tie it. Keep following these steps for a few more times and join the hairs as we are joining in this video and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top. Now divide the hairs into two parts, tie them. Now take the upper part and make the plaits on it like this. So you can make the plaits or roll it. Fix them together on the sides and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs into small sections like this using the rubber bands. Now join it on the alternative sides like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the plaits on the sides like this. Now using this hairstyling tool, we will fix the small sections of the hairs inside the plaits like this and pull it out. Follow the same step for the other side. Now at the back, we will join all the small sections of the hairs together like this. Make the plate-like structure and then we will fix it together and tie all the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs into 6 sections like this. Now we will join them together one by one as shown in the video. First, make the plaits on the sides. Make the plaits for the other side as well. Keep few sections of the hairs aside and make the plaits on the small section like this. After we are done with the plaits, we will join it as shown in the video. Fix them on the alternative sides and tie it. After that, we will tie another section of the hairs and it's ready. Thanks for watching.